Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a backflip. So it's really simple, but you have to have, if you're like doing it, you could do squad, duo, playground, Wild West, Food Fight, Friday, Fortnite, or playground. I would recommend playground for your first go. So these are the settings you could have. You could have half shield, you could have half health, 1 health. You can have any health, but you have to have normal gravity. Okay, guys. So you can land anywhere. I recommend tilted because it has lots of things you can break, and you need to have mats. So you have to build up to where you can deploy your glider. So yeah. I'll see you when I get my mats. But okay, you have to, and it doesn't need emotes. No, not that. Yeah, it doesn't need emotes. Okay. So build up to the height where you like, and you have to look down. Good. Okay. Now go up. I don't know if it will work first go. But you do need mats. Okay, I'll admit that sucked. No. So it won't work first go, as I said. See, I did it. I saw that I did it. Oh my, I didn't actually, I thought it was, oh my, I did it. Let's have a replay. So as you can see, guys, it actually works. I'm actually really happy that it does. Woo! Ah! So that's all for today's video. Peace, guys.